Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are from Team Charlie. I'm Asiah Sarhani, and I'm going to present you about our project on Bandung solid waste management. The design requirements and objectives of our project is our goal is to make a tool that can suck in trash that will be put on the side road of the roads, and from the data that we have gathered, waste management in Bandung has not been successful due to the minimum knowledge from the individuals. The definition of our problem is, first of all, people doesn't have a mindset to throw away trash at the right place. Also, the human resources also lacks knowledge on how to maintain a good waste management system. And lastly, Bandung also lacks tools that are needed to make the waste management system effective. And from the analysis that we have gathered, we learned that we need to educate the people so that they know that littering is bad for the environment. Secondly, we also need to educate our human resource on how to manage a good waste management system. Lastly, we need to create a tool that can minimize the level of trash on the roads. The engineering specifications of this project is to create a tool to become a solution to Bandung's ineffective waste management that is simple and easy to use.
So the dual type dustbin can collect two types of trash, for example, paper and plastic. When somebody puts a paper or plastic inside the dustbin can collect both type of trash, and it can separate the trash inside with the sensor inside. So the sensor can decide whether the trash is paper or plastic. And then if there is for example, if there is a tissue, paper inside a bottle, the dustbin can separate it inside. It has a rotating machine inside so that the paper can go out of the plastic inside. And then after that, after the paper and the plastic is separated, there is a robot inside to pick the plastic and the paper to put it inside the right chamber. So basically, that's how it's worked.
So our second design is called the refunding paper and water bottle machine. So this vending machine will allow people to insert waste such as paper and water bottle. So instead of just throwing away the waste into a simple trash bin, with this machine, people can actually refund their waste. So people will have more courage people will be more excited to throw away trash. Because every waste that gets into this machine, it will give out refund money. So how does this machine work? So when people buy the paper or bottled water in stores, the price is already amounted for a deficit that can be refunded when people throw away their paper and bottled waters waste into the machine. Then the machine will automatically recycle the paper and water bottles, and it will give out the refunded money.
So after the two designs we made, finally we choose the second design because it's more simpler and it's more attractive for people, and it's more efficient. So this is the drawing of the design we picked, and we have the front view, the side view, top view, and the bottom view. So from the drawing, from the first drawing, we have the circle there. The circle is made for people putting their trash inside the machine, and then on the below the circle, there's money. The money will get out of there, and we can take the money after we put the trash inside. And I think this design is very effective and made people attention. So it's a good design.
Yeah, I think so too. This machine will attract more people and to actually throw their waste.
So about the prototype design, the first place is where the trash goes. The trash goes inside the machine from the first place, and then goes to the second one where you're given the instructions on what to do next. After you follow the instructions and the trash is accepted into the machine will give you back some money from the third exit hole. The reflections we have gained from this experiment, we learned some few lessons. Like waste management is important for the longevity of the earth. We should all contribute in any way we can help manage trash, because if there's too much trash, then the world will get a little bit too cramped, and like it might get a little bit too heavy, and then like air circulations would be messed up. So helping with trash management might minimize the damage to that might be done to earth. The possible improvements that can be made, we have to try to manage our trash better moving forward. Like if you're at home, you have to like make separate trash bins for each component, like plastic, food, electronics maybe, or even other things. And you should try to look into recycling used trash. Like if you have trash, don't instantly throw it away. Maybe like make it into something, some origami maybe or something. Just don't throw too much trash away. That'll really help managing trash in everywhere. The chances of for implementing our tool might be pretty good, because our tool is pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. Like you put in something inside, it gets scanned, and then from there on, the machine does its work. But maybe probably the issue might be about the sensors and the internal parts, because that might be sometimes a gamble, as if sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But if it does, well, it's a simple tool that can really help manage trash and sort trash by each type.
Okay, so that is it for our presentation today. Thank you for your attention, and we hope that we can all contribute to have a better management in solid waste. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for paying attention to this presentation. We hope someday maybe this prototype can become something in reality and help with Earth's trash management. Yay.